At Island Shipper, we understand the joy and the convenience of online shopping. But we also know that sometimes shipping to Jamaica can be a hassle. This is where we come in. You could shop online from anywhere in the world and have the items delivered to the doorstep in Jamaica. We handle everything from start to finish. Simply visit our website at islandshipper.com and create a free shipping account today. Once you're registered, you'll be assigned a personalized USA address. This address allows you to shop online with any retailer or anywhere around the world. So if your favorite retailer is Amazon, Walmart, or eBay, or even Shein, Temu, or AliExpress, you could use this address to shop online, browse through your favorite online store, select the items you love, and use the unique USA address as the shipping address during checkout. Once your package arrives at our secure US facility, your items is swiftly delivered to the address in Jamaica so you could enjoy your purchase without any worries. Check out our Facebook page and our Instagram account for real testimonials and updates on our latest offers. So why wait? Sign up with Island Shipper today and experience the hassle-free way to shop online and have your items delivered to Jamaica. Island Shipper, your trusted partner in delivering happiness to Jamaica.